All right, market opens up in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just marking some key levels right now. London low, Asia overnight low, and then the yesterday's low down here. Yeah, London high up there. And then I'll keep our eye on the others. See if we get all the way up there. If I had to guess, I think we'll run the lows here, the overnight lows, and then have some sort of retracement and potentially reverse up to the highs. We are opening up back into VWAP again, kind of like yesterday. Yeah, looks like we are making our way down here. Seller's not very strong though. We're kind of just hanging out at the highs up here on Delta. The sellers are selling off really nicely, and as I say that, they are now coming in, breaking the lows very nicely. So sellers are indeed here now, taking out the overnight lows and the London lows as we kind of mentioned. Now let's just see if we kind of reject off of the New York low from yesterday here. Maybe we'll, yeah, get a little reversal, a little sweep of all this liquidity. So far, we're kind of dumping. See if we keep bleeding out here or not. Down like 85 points off the open. kind of crazy. I guess if anyone sold a VWAP, they did the right thing. The 5-minute candle is looking crazy. ES selling off pretty heavily as well. Not really any news today. Nothing too crazy that we're gonna have to keep in mind. But there's a couple, probably kind of like some Fed speakers. Not the big ones, I don't think. So I don't know if it'll move the market, but I don't know if it's quite a no news kind of day. It might be. It might be considered a no news day, which typically can be a little choppy, a little boring, kind of hard to trade sometimes. Not a lot of volatility. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for some short opportunities here, get in on this trend. If this even is a trend, I mean, I guess it could just be a giant sell-off. But now, yeah, depending on the setup, depending on how we're looking, we're gonna be looking for some bear flags potentially, but also if we break structure to the upside, you know, get those kind of reversal patterns going, could be a good spot to go long as well. We are a little far from that 9 EMA, so don't want to be too aggressive with the shorting down here, just because we could find the bottom here. But if we do get up there, kind of to the 700s, and then break the bear flag, that's kind of what we're looking for right now. Finding a little bit of support there. Kind of forming a bear flag here with some of these candles. I imagine if we break past kind of the 64 area, we could definitely continue the selling. Could be one of those days sometimes. Sellers just take over and go down all day long. But they're going up now. A little bit of a fake out there if you were looking at this as like a bear flag. Yeah, I kind of broke past these two lows of these candles. We do have a fair value gap here. Maybe that's why it bounced off. I know a lot of people don't believe in the whole fair value gap stuff, but I mean, they do work sometimes. I mean, it does bounce off those areas. Maybe it's just coincidence, but we did get down below this candle, and yeah, we bounced right up. Or some people may have been looking at it as, oh, we got lower than this low, get in for a short, and they clearly are not happy right now. So usually if the bear flag or even a bull flag, if it has a fair value gap, it's not as pretty for me anyways.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submit. Order canceled.
Just making sure my orders are working, making sure we're ready to go. But we're just kind of just buying this pullback right back. Making our way all the way up to overnight lows again. Potentially VWAP up there as well. As I say that, we're rejecting pretty nicely as well. Rejecting the overnight low. Longs could be the move here, even though we're still below all this selling pressure here. Obviously below all these bearish fair value gaps as well. Kind of rejecting off of this one up here right now. Currently rejecting in the 5-minute fair value gap as well. If you do close above the 5-minute one, we'll probably try and go long, at least on this account. Yeah, rejecting that fair value gap on the 1-minute as well as the overnight low. See, I marked it out right there at the 30, at the 30s. So the sellers are kind of doing well here, making their way back down. Could be higher low kind of area, but also might just run through this and make new lows. Yeah, kind of faked out the buyers with this little pull. Well, not little, bigger pullback than normal. Breaking the lows, making our way down. ES still has not broken the lows. They actually, on that pullback right here, they actually broke the highs. Or NASDAQ did not. And now obviously down at the lows. ES kind of just sit in the middle right now. Could continue lower here, but could just kind of chop here too, which hey, you hate to see, but it does happen. You hate to see it. Making our way down, slowly but surely. Still kind of waiting on a little pullback. A little closer to that EMA, build out a bear flag. Then we'll be looking to go short. Um, kind of a bear flag there, bouncing off the 9 EMA, but didn't really get much of a move there. I was kind of waiting on kind of a third candle to be part of the flag. I'm not as much of a, I'm not a fan of the 2 candle flag typically. Plus, yeah, it looks like just kind of made our way down like 6 points. Now we're bouncing up. Yeah, good thing we did not get in that. Because, yeah, I probably would have had our stop up here, like 18 points. Would have gotten stopped out. And yeah, I don't even know if I would have gotten break even on that just because it's only 6 points. Now it's just kind of getting ugly down here. Yeah, making our way back up now. Market's moving kind of interesting right now. Just kind of having these these big kind of swings without any real price action. I don't if that makes any sense. Not really, at least for me. Like no setups, no bear flags, no bull flags, no, not even like ICT anything either. Like I don't, maybe I'm missing it, but no higher lows, lower highs.
Order filled.
Yes, pushing the highs, but Nasdaq just kind of struggling. Got in long, kind of at a, I guess not the best spot, but still could push up there and play out in my favor before getting stopped out. There's a little momentum there. Yeah, entry not the best. Got entered, came down, nearly stopped out. Should be the push right here. I mean, if we're gonna do it, it's now or never. Should be trying to follow the ES here. ES still pushing higher and higher. Nasdaq kind of hesitant for some reason. Not really sure what it's waiting for. There we go. There's the break. Now we just need to hold and not get sucked out of break even. There's the break.
Target filled.
There's the targets. Let's go. Beautiful. Let me edit this. Got another account, the take profit trader account in there. So we'll be looking to trade on that as well. A little early on the entry. Got kind of faked out there. Got in, rejected, right down, nearly stopped out. But we did hold and we did finally get the push. Probably would have been better to enter and kind of in here after it kind of came back up a second time. Held it a little better and then the break. But I mean, obviously that's why we put our stop down here, is to cover this. All right, finally making higher low, breaking this high on the 1 minute as well. So it could make a nice little reversal setup potentially, but also we are kind of just chilling at this other high here. It could still be like a kind of a range right here. And we're kind of chilling at VWAP. VWAP just up here. Yeah, VWAP sitting right above top of this candle. Probably wait until we get past VWAP to take any more longs. Projecting off the view up right there. Still cannot get above VWAP. Kind of have a pretty big bear flag on the 5-minute chart here. Good little bear flag there. Almost took it, but was a little hesitant. Kind of missed out there. But hasn't really hit the full target yet anyways. And looks like it might just be kind of a break-even trade. Still not really sure what we're going to be doing here. Kind of just chopping this range. See if I can draw a little box. Yeah, this little range. Yeah, not really sure if we're going to be making our way up still, kind of holding these levels much higher. But also we're kind of making our way back down. Could be pushing lower here pretty easily as well. So we're going to be holding off a little bit. We're making our way down here. Don't stop those EMAs again. Slowly making our way down, but still in this range we were talking about. Sellers might be finally making the move now. Unless we do bounce here at the 60s. Kind of stay in this range. But in the last like 20 minutes, it's looking good to go short. Yeah, we just gotta kind of break through 70s and 60s, and then we'll actually probably go somewhere. Potentially. Ooh, there's the sellers. There's the push. Breaking the lows. Making our way down to the 630s.
I'm ready if you are.
Kind of another bear flag there. Kind of missed it. I mean, we had our eyes on it, but yeah, it's just the bullish for value up there. Kind of a small one, but it's pretty. Again, could have taken it. Could have obviously worked out really nicely, but yeah, we're looking for one of those A+ setups. We want to be green. We want to make some money. So far, we're up $400 on one of my FundingTicks accounts. See over here, $400 on this FundingTicks account. And we still have a couple other accounts that we're looking for some trades, but on my other FundingTicks, we're looking for kind of a different strategy. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that to play out. And then Take Profit Trader, some new accounts. And might take some more variable flex on that, maybe some other stuff. But we'll see. In the meantime, we'll play a little Battlefield 2042. It's been a while since I've played this game.
We are moving to attack Alpha 1.
I haven't played much of this game either. Where are they? There's the options. Turn down the audio a little bit. Alright, we're lagging a little bit, but yeah, we enjoyed the Battlefield 6 beta quite a bit. A little sad that it's over already, but
Hostiles advancing on Alpha 2.
is what it is. Oh, hello. I don't know what to do. You came out of nowhere. Surprised you didn't run me over. Yeah, we played a lot of the Battlefield 6 beta. We enjoyed that quite a bit.
Our troops are advancing on Alpha 1.
Sense feels a little off too. Not sure if it's the same as. Let's
Alpha 2
see.
is lost.
Mouse and keyboard. So it's gonna be 16.
Soon won't have enough resources to commit. Alpha 2 under enemy control.
Not sure if that's right.
Just took Sector Alpha. They've taken every sector. You need to counterattack.
My teammate
Attack on Alpha 1.
blocked me there. A couple headshots. So the game's already almost over. Gotta love when they put you in games that are already over. Forgot this game has tax sprint. It's like Call of Duty.
Squads retreat. Battle's done.
And just barely started the game. Could be getting another little bear flag here off the 9 EMA. Still not the cleanest for me personally. But we'll keep an eye on it. Oh, looks like it's going. Yeah, quick move there. Looks like it worked out pretty well. We were kind of waiting for that candle to close. Like I said, two candle bear flags. Not typically what I like to look for. Yeah, getting another game here. Like I said, I haven't played a lot of 2042. Kind of skipped that game. I do have it though. Played a little bit during a free weekend. But yeah, Battlefield 1's more my cup of tea. That I have a lot of experience in. And Battlefield 6 beta, played a lot of that, so now I'm at the point, throw me in a game, I'll do pretty well.
Found one.
We must secure
130
more
meters.
objectives. Do not allow Russian forces to take them. Hostiles spotted at Charlie 1.
Threat neutralized.
Nice little headshot there. Oh, we're already dying.
Not much left to fight.
Seller's really pushing there nicely. Would be nice if we got a better bear flag, but was not able to.
The hostiles are taking sector Charlie.
Surrounded. Just spawned in, we're already surrounded. Alright, keep an eye on this chart. Make sure we don't miss any trades.
Sector Alpha is now under our control. All sectors
Why is this
Battles
game's
lost.
already over
No
too?
need
What
any
the?
more losses today.
Is there not a game that I can actually play? Whatever. Alright. see if we get another bear flag, continue down lower. What? A little unfortunate there. I was gonna make that trade, but it's not letting me place any orders. Forgot you have to sign into Tradeovate and sign like a user agreement. Dang, would have made money there. But did not have my account ready, I guess. Bit unfortunate. Oh gosh. Should be good now, but yeah, I kind of missed out. Kind of missed out there on the trade. No, it's still not good. Data is delayed. We'll figure that out later. Or it should work itself out here in a second. Hypothetically, I know I've had to do this before, but I don't know why it's not working. All data is delayed. Disconnect. Try to reconnect. See, take profits. Requires real-time data. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe the account's just not fully activated yet. I signed all the stuff, but it says I'm delayed. Data for some reason. let's see if it works in a little bit. This map claims to be Iwo Jima, but it does not. Besides like the volcano, kind of the hill at the end, it doesn't really look like Iwo Jima.
Hostile mark! Southeast! Enemy soldier marked! There! Take that point! Disregard! There's a tango!
Our resources are dwindling. Use them wisely.
Snipers are a little different in this one.
Found one! 170 meters!
Status. US
What the?
forces have the edge. We'll need to secure more
What is
objectives.
that?
quickly.
Target down!
Got one. Got the other.
Reloading!
Let's see, I should be able to hit that guy. Take him out.
Spotted an enemy! Up north!
Got the one
Hiding!
under
Enemy
assault.
tank!
Says this is a 128 player server. Not sure where all the people are hiding. I guess I should go to one of the objectives, that would probably help. What the? Oh, looks like there's a lot of AI in this as well. It's like a bot lobby or something. Alright, let's take an objective.
We now hold Bravo sector.
There's a tango! 60 meters from my position!
Not sure how I missed that. Got killed by AI. Nice. Absolutely lovely.
We control top.
Still can't make any trades. Teammate almost revived me and then kind of gave up. Nice.
Spotted enemy aircraft! 90 meters away from my position! Tango on my mark! 110 meters away! Reloading now! Target down!
I still can't make any trades. Another bear flag playing out there.
Our enemies control us and sector.
South! South!
This strategy is wrong.
Enemy!
Hostiles control more sectors than we do.
Jeez. Like the movement in this game is weird.
Hostile presence! Southeast!
Maybe it's just the AIs. They've got unevenly movement.
Hostile infantry! 170 meters away!
Built out to have strength.
So I think at the bottom, I think means someone's near me, but I don't know which direction.
Now attacking Echo 1.
Spotted a hostile! Distance 300 meters!
Delta sector is out.
300 meters. I'm not sure what the bullet
Troop spotted!
drop in this game is like. Another bear flag playing out beautifully. I died after 1 second, just instantly died.
Order submitted.
Wait, there
Order
it is.
canceled.
I can
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I can take trades now. Of course we miss we missed 2 good trades though. Would have made profit on both of those. Now I'm a little hesitant to take any more just because the odds of the future trades being losing is higher. I feel like I'm getting shot at, but can't quite tell.
Foxtrot sector is now secure.
Guess I'll try and push.
I see their transport.
I'm dead.
60 meters from my position!
Maybe not.
Transport! 60 meters away from my position!
Our troops are assaulting Bravo 1.
I see their transport! About 60 meters from my position! Reloading! Keep me covered! Down!
Oh. NASDAQ really dumping down now. It's a real player. I can't predict these guys' movements in this game. Oh, and I guess that gun is a 2-shot. Nice. Ooh, lovely. Yeah, if we do get another bear flag, we'll try and take it. But we might have missed the 2 good ones there. Just got really unlucky with the market data. I should have tried to figure that out earlier. Didn't think I'd have to.
Bravo sector fully secured.
Mark some supply. Downward, 250 meters away. I'm reloading.
I'm not really sure if I like playing against the AI. Just makes the flow of the game feel weird. Not quite what I'm used to with typical Battlefield like 6 or Battlefield 1. Game's already almost over because we can't take any objectives. Yeah, it's a good try playing like. I don't have like any guns unlocked or anything. I don't even know what's good.
Delta 1 targeted for capture. Beginning attack.
Enemy infantry there! 30!
Not bad bear flag, but we do have a valley gap there. Typically, I stay away from a little bit.
Okay, when do we start?
Holding that valley gap there, pushing up. Good thing I did not go short. Working out well for us there. Rejecting there though at the highs.
We need all NOPAT forces redirected to the Richtersveld. This is priority 1. Claim the rocket fuel facility and the machine inside. And if you see the saboteur known as Oz, use caution. You might know him, but don't trust him. He's done unbelievable damage to our operational security. We've backed you from the beginning, NOPATs. Remember that. Command out. They took Sector Golf.
Majority of sectors under enemy control.
Just lost Sector Echo to the enemy.
Selling back down there a little bit. Looks like it's a little unsure if it wants to reverse here or keep going lower. But we are in a real game now, no bots. 64 players, so this should be a little bit more my speed. See how it goes.
We hold more sectors than the hostiles.
See if we can do a little sniping here.
Enemy
Hostile
tank
forces
located.
engaged.
About 60 meters from my
Go.
position.
Take your objectives.
Marking a hostile. Spotted a hostile. 170 meters. Tango
In the
down.
leg. We get better at these headshots though.
Hostile infantry. 200 meters.
Nice.
Enemy soldier marked. Found one. We need to... Marking threat. 110 meters away.
Sector Bravo just fell to the enemy.
Tango on my mark. There's a tango.
Russians have control of most sectors.
Enemy here. 150 meters.
There we go.
Hostile infantry. Marking a hostile. 170 meters.
Still not quite dialed in. The bolt drop here.
There's a tango. 200 meters. Watching hostiles. Spotted a hostile.
There's a lot of them.
Hostile fire team. 200 meters.
Sector Echo is now under our control.
Danger located.
Majority of
Hostile
sectors
infantry.
under our control.
150 meters. Tango on my mark.
Alright, there's the push up.
Where do we stand?
Need
Go
rendezvous
patch
and
took
pick up.
objectives fast. Now they have to hold them.
Watching hostile. 170 meters.
Nice. Alright, let's keep an eye on this. Looking good. We're closing 5 minutes in the next 1 minute. If we close up there above the 67s, probably go long there.
Serious resources to stay in this.
Tank marked. 170 meters away. Spotted a hostile. Marking a hostile.
Dang it. I suck. Alright, we did not close.
They have a tank. 170 meters.
Dang it. There we go. Low ammo.
Caution around the marker.
Well. Now what? Only got 7 kills.
Russians are attacking one of our objectives.
Now we're out of ammo.
Got Sector Charlie.
Alright, we are pulling back here a little bit. Could be. Ooh, could be what I'm looking for to go long here. Definitely liking the idea of a long here.
Order filled.
Risking a little bit more than I would have liked there. I didn't realize that was almost 45 points. But still could be a nice long here.
Sector Bravo is in enemy hands.
Spotted
One of
a
our
hostile.
objectives is under
Second
attack.
Still have no
position, my
ammo, so
position.
we're gonna have to kind of kamikaze here, essentially.
Enemy soldier marked.
Where did he go? I have no idea where that guy went. I might just be stupid. That's okay. We're out of ammo. We needed that. Oh yeah, we're in a trade now. The 68, 69, kind of just chopping around. Looking for that push up, that reversal here. Might be getting long on my other accounts as well. On the 5 minutes. See how we close here. Pushing up slowly here. Just gonna wait a sec to get back in the game. We're gonna
Order submitted.
put an order in there on the 5 minutes. You can see it right here. See if we get in it. If not, that's right. We're in on the other account. Kind of the same trade
Order
here.
filled.
A little heavy with the risk. Maybe should have gone in with some micros. But already bouncing well here. So let's see if we can get. Oh, guy instantly died. Yeah, let's get another like spawn beacon thing over here.
Marking a hostile, 250 meters away.
We have secured most of
How
the
is
sector.
that
Defend them at all
not a
costs.
headshot?
We've secured Sector Charlie. They're hurting. Hostile forces are at half strength.
Hostile located, 130 meters away.
So let's trying to figure out the
Charlie 1 under attack by hostiles.
bullet drop and velocity in this game.
We have a man down. You'll live. Let's go. Spotted a soldier. So.
Falling back here a little bit. But still trusting the long-term trade here.
Hostile infantry, 130 meters.
There we go.
Reloading.
Through
One
the
second.
gap. Thought he could hide from me. No, sir.
Move up to that marker.
Not really sure where these guys are at. Might not be the best sniping spot.
Tango on my mark. 250 meters away.
There we go.
We have locked down Sector Bravo.
Squad mate wounded.
Nasdaq's not looking as good now. So I might kind of play this bear flag on the 5-minute.
Sector Alpha secured.
Hopefully get the bounce here sooner than later. Because we didn't get much profit at all there. I mean, not even 10 points there.
Enemy here, 90 meters from my position. Spotted
Definitely
enemy helo.
I'd like to see a little bit more. A little bit more there, just so we can go break even and manage the trade
Enemy has Sector Bravo. The
as
enemy
best
is
way
trying to take
possible.
Echo
90 meters away from my position.
That felt like a headshot. Clearly still a little off today.
Spotted a tank. South.
Tank's gonna give us some trouble.
Get the enemy away from that objective.
Keep us updated.
Danger marked. 200 meters. Hostile enemy. Ah!
It got me. I kind of bounce it now. Kind of might play this 1-minute bull flag here. Gonna break past these wicks at the 63s. Should push up and go higher. But kind of just stuck at the EMAs right now. Alright, getting a little bit of push now. We would take that bull flag, honestly. But we're already in this kind of other trade. We're risking a lot here on this account. Both of them, actually. It's definitely might go break even as soon as possible. But we definitely want to give it room to breathe. We definitely don't want to just give up on it, especially since getting in the trade we put on quite a bit of risk. But we are popping up now pretty nicely. Might be a little early to go break even, but we did take out that high. Can I get up here? How did that miss? There's no way. Alright, up 10 points now, pushing up very nicely. Hopefully we just go crazy. I mean, I know it's not always that easy, but go to these highs at the 90s. It's probably when I'll look to kind of more take break even. If it starts looking ugly, we'll go break even, get out of it a little sooner. But if we get up past the 600s, kind of the highs of these previous 1-minute moves here, we'll be for sure going break even. Maybe locking in some profits too. Probably wouldn't hurt to do that right now also, but definitely want to give it a chance. Room to breathe. Game's almost over already. Haven't really done much. 10-3. Not bad. Getting the push now, almost up 20 points.
An objective is no longer secure.
Sniping still feels a bit weird
Sector Foxtrot.
in this game.
Allies engaging on Foxtrot 1.
Also, don't really know where everyone's at. I don't really know like the popular areas.
110 meters.
Oh, we're pulling back heavy right now. A little scary. But hard to think that the move is just over after that. Surely we get a little bit higher of a push. Yeah, surely we push more and get back up there towards VWAP.
Sector secure.
I'm still not really sure. There's all the action going on. Someone's near me.
Tango more.
Oh, I guess I gotta take his tank.
Good work, Notepads. That was a hell of a fight.
Well, that was short-lived. Alright, pushing back up there on the NASDAQ. Looking good on both 5-minute and the 1-minute. These are both two different accounts as well, Take Profit Trader and FundingTicks. Attempting once again to break past the 86s. We should get it here. If not, kind of rejected again. Could be a sign to. Oh yeah, there we go. Coming down a little bit. Could be a sign to go break even. But definitely struggling there a little bit for sure. Kind of another ugly bull flag. But yeah, rejected the 86s twice there. Kind of got a double top. But the screen candle's holding up just above the 90 MA. Well enough anyways. Just sitting back, waiting, kind of getting back up to there to the 86s. Surely we break past it the second or third attempt here. Kind of stalling out a little bit. Here we go. Can get that push potentially here. Still just chopping. Can't get past that level there. Only a matter of time before we kind of break out of this little area here. Alright, this could be it right here. Finally break higher. Unless we fail once again. Yeah, we're getting really tight here. Not going anywhere. There we go, that's a little better. If we can hold it, we're still ejecting again here. Kinda wild.
We have majority control of the sectors.
Yeah, I cooked this sight by accident to sniper. I have no idea how to change it. Oh, there we go. Dang, once again, rejecting. Kind of push the highs, coming back down. Kind of tempted to go break even here. Just take off the risk if it's just gonna come all the way down. Yeah, I'd still like to see it move up, but we failed.
Stop filled.
Very. I don't know. Take it off that one. We'll let it play on this one just since we have a larger stop. But yeah, I don't really like how it did that. It should have just gone up, especially after breaking right here. Yeah, it could just be selling off now. A little bit unfortunate. You can see I'm still in this other trade here, risking just over 1,000, going for about 1,000. There at the highs right there. Still could definitely hold here and go higher. I just got a little scared there. Might take out these 1 minute lows. That'd be kind of scary. But this other account, we're okay risking a little bit more, holding on to it. Yeah, let's see if it keeps playing out here.
Marking objective. Defend it. We're with you, squad leader. Objective captured and secured. We've captured Sector Charlie. We've secured nearly every sector. Do not give the Russians a chance to take that back.
Oh, climbing a ladder.
Marking Tango, 110 meters. Tango on the map.
Yeah, Snipe's just a little off still. I want to try and play this game. I know it's got some rewards for Battlefield 6 in this new update. But
We are hitting Alpha 1.
big part of me just wants to go play Battlefield 1
Push in. Attack.
because it's just a better game.
Marking Tango,
Oh,
70
off the
meters
rock
away from
there.
my position. Hostile located.
Go past
Threat
took
sighted.
objectives fast. Now they have to hold them. We have full control of Sector Alpha. Repel the hostiles from that objective.
Bag a few for us.
Spotted a hostile. About 90 meters from your position.
Yeah, that movement's kind of weird. Just like compared to the other Battlefield games, the way he like side-strafed there like super quickly. Might just be a skill issue. It feels weird, kind of hard to track. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the snipers. Could be because there's a tax strand. I guess I forgot that was a thing. That should have hit. What? Tank right there.
An objective is under attack.
I can't even see these guys, and they're just hard scoping this angle. Not much I can do about that.
Charlie 2 has been lost.
Southeast! Tango down!
We're with you, squad leader.
Trade's still just struggling so much to get up there.
Sector Bravo has fallen to hostiles. We don't control enough sectors.
If we break this high around the 88s, probably go break even on this one as well. Just because if it's not going to go, it's not going to go. But this is a bigger trade, so it is prone to, you know, some movement before we play it out and get higher.
Sector Alpha has been taken by the enemy.
I want to snipe here, but I just keep getting shot by these tanks. They like spot me so easily and just take me out. Every time I die, I debate going back to Battlefield 1. I'm not gonna lie.
We have locked down Sector Bravo.
That marker! Attack soldier!
Yeah, that guy's
150 meters.
hard to see.
Hostile located! Good one! Spotted a tango!
There we go.
Spending resources fast. Already down by a quarter.
Danger
Just
here!
lost an objective.
Yeah, that guy in the rocks. It's a good place to be.
Objective. They've captured Sector Charlie.
Trying to look for some movement, but I'm not.
Enemy forces control the majority of sectors.
There we go.
Hostile located 60 meters away from my position. Hostile!
There we go. Nasdaq still struggling, but it is trying to push back up there.
Tango on the map, right by me.
They control more sectors than us. Move to counterattack. We are about to attack.
Alright, did push back up there to the highs at the 88s. We'll go break even. Well, dang, we're rejecting like that same 86 area just constantly. Oh no. Yeah, it does that. I keep tapping out. I guess I should click something else. It's maybe like, no. Enter and then go over. But I keep like just clicking Windows, tapping over, but then when I click back, we shoot. I should not have spawned with these guys.
Shit! Stacked an enemy device! Southwest!
Can't see him. Dang smoke. Still kind of dry in here. Trying to push. See if we reject this area again or if we finally break it. Might just take profit here in a little bit if we keep kind of chopping this area. We're up $300. It's pretty solid on 50k account. It's kind of all we need really in a day. But we're trying to get a little bit more here just since we're on the evaluation stage. See if try and pass this account sooner than later. But I guess we don't have to. We don't have to rush it, of course. But I might give it a couple more minutes.
Threat spotted! It's a long way! Tango on the map!
Oh, good trade, I guess. Yeah, still can't get past the 86 level. Probably just gonna stop to break even here. Get that push right now. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Oh wait, I forgot this is the accounts that I'd like to get a little bit bigger of a trade on. So I guess taking profit there is not that. It's fine if I miss out, but we're probably gonna get stopped out here. It's just chopping this range now. But at least we're in profit. At least we have the option to go break even or take a small profit. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out there. Just can't push the highs here. We've rejected 85 level. Like, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 times. Kind of ridiculous. Like a solid brick wall.
The enemy just conquered Sector Bravo.
40 meters
That's
from my position.
a turret.
If we don't conquer more sectors than them, we'll be defeated here.
Move your feet. Let's go.
Dagger through us.
Yeah, I might have to switch just for the sake of giving you guys some better gameplay. I mean, I'm 7 and 8. Got a couple of headshots, knives. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, I know how to play Battlefield, but 2042 is a different kind of Battlefield. All this equipment and stuff, I don't know anything about it. Movement's a little different. Maps are a little different. Yeah. We're at the bottom of the team. Guess I could play the objective a little bit.
50 meters from my position. Monitor from here.
But that's boring. I'm just kidding. Nah, I'm just gonna focus on this trade a little bit too.
Just conquered Sector Bravo.
The enemy is in control of Charlie 2.
We have secured more sectors than our enemy. Make sure you defend them.
Throwing grenade!
Stop filled.
There's the stop.
Yes, got one!
Break even. Dang, again, push back up a little bit. Right back down. Just chopping. Might sell off here. Might just keep chopping. Either way, we don't really want to be a part of it since we're not going anywhere. Okay, let's see if we break out of this chop up or down and maybe look for some other opportunities, but it is almost 10 o'clock, so we're probably just about done in the day. 12 o'clock Eastern time. So about lunchtime.
We've captured Sector Charlie. We have secured most of the sectors. Defend them at all costs.
Enemy tank east!
Yeah, I kind of going for the low there on the 1 minute.
Enemy forces at half strength.
Marking enemy tank east!
I keep thinking I'm seeing people, but
Tango. Marking Tango. 60 meters away from my position.
tank spotted me. Nothing as well. Yeah, kind of playing this 5-minute bear flag. Lower high on the 1 minute. Kind of giving us a setup to go short, but as I say that again, we're chopping. This is chop. This is not price action. You can see Delta. Let me see Delta here. Literally not making highs or lows, just chop. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Check your map and return to the engagement.
It's kind of a weird out of bounds spot.
Target down!
We've lost an objective.
Hostiles have secured Sector Delta.
Dang it, I almost got them both. Yeah, maybe we'll try and switch to some assault or something. Engineer. Yeah, we'll try engineer. Get a little more.
We've lost an objective to the enemy.
Infantry gameplay here. We're making a bear flag here. Oh, I got revived. Dang, I suck. Got a lot of medics nearby though. Surely one of them picks me up.
Sector Charlie under Russian control.
Famous last words though, right? What? I was literally shooting that guy. And somehow he turned and killed me. Instantly. It's wild. I start shooting first. Doesn't that
Delta
mean
has been captured by us.
I get the kill? Am I crazy?
Majority of sectors under our control.
Dang it, they've always got something to take me out. I swear. Got exactly what they need. Surely somebody.
We're maintaining sector control. Keep the Russians out.
Yeah, none of the medics doing their job. It's alright.
The enemy has secured Sector Alpha.
Kinda used to it. Let's see if we can
Start securing
live a
sectors.
little
Enemy
longer
has
here.
majority control.
Reloading!
Oh, that was awful. Empty myself there. Let's get in on the action. Yeah, feeling kind of like Call of Duty with this tax sprint.
Solid one secured.
I'm reloading!
A bunch of people up here. How about I use my rocket? Oh, that's a pretty wimpy rocket. I guess it does not destroy things.
promising. We control the majority of sectors. We've taken Sector Alpha. We are moving to seize Charlie 2.
No.
Hostiles are taking an objective. Sector Charlie has fallen. Russian troops have entered one of our objectives.
Oh gosh. I like this gun, but I feel like it has no bullets. Yeah, 20 rounds. That's terrible. What's the... Wait. Yeah, we'll try the AK. Maybe put... Are these all locked or something? Yeah.
Our troops just took Sector Echo. Good work. The majority of sectors are under our control.
Helo identified. Long distance.
The Russians control Sector Alpha.
Buyers could still hold this here for that original trade I was in. But we are still kind of just in that range.
Securing objective Charlie 2.
Threat mark. Northwest.
New objective under control.
Reloading.
Sector Echo just fell to the enemy.
Caught strays from that guy. He's taking out our whole team.
Both sectors now occupied by hostiles.
There's a guy there? Holy.
Our forces have secured Sector Charlie.
Spawned right on them. Yeah, trade could still play out here for the longs. But not a fan of the chop. That's why we got out. Green on all my accounts though. $5, $4, $3.99.
Echo objective secure. Sector under control. We control more
Pretty
sectors
solid.
than they do. Make sure you defend our position.
Better than losing, that's for sure.
We need a final wave. Russians are short-handed. Hostiles are trying to seize one of our objectives.
Well. Normally it's worth waiting for a medic, but I don't know if that's how this game works. Shorts are kind of playing out here, but still at the bottom of this range. Unless we break through it pretty heavily. Could be doing that right here now, though. We'll see.
We have majority control of the sectors.
What am I getting shot by? Oh, a helicopter. Yeah, I'm just getting spawn killed now. Not sure why I can't hit that guy. Yeah, of course he's got a friend. Buddy to take me out. Man, I'm not really doing much. I guess I am. Wait, what is that? 26? I have 26 kills? 21 deaths, is that what that means? Yeah. Not great. Not even gonna lie. Not great.
Our enemy now controls Charlie 1.
Dang it.
An objective is no longer secure.
Still kinda... Oh no, we broke the lows here a little bit. Kind of out of the range there. Game basically over. Might be able to get another kill here. Nope.
Good work, Notepads. That was a hell of a fight.
We got down there, but now we're not really going anywhere. Thinking I've done on the day, not gonna lie, but we might go for just one game of Battlefield 1. Just redeem myself a little bit. Play some good Battlefield. I mean, Battlefield 2042, not bad. I have no time in the game. Nothing unlocked. No map knowledge. No weapon knowledge, recoil, anything like that. Little excuses, I know, but definitely they could mean something if you're going against some sweaty people.
We have lost objective Freddy.
Alright, got in the game already.
Bir düşman askerine doğru bakıyorum.
Oh yeah, this feels so
Bir
much
asker görüldü.
more familiar. Shot in the back here. Dang. Alright, finally pushing down nicely here. Good thing we got out of those two trades when we did. Save ourselves from the losses. I don't know what that means, but I don't think I want that. Oh yeah, we're lagging like every time I zoom in the scope. I did this last time I played this map. Might just, yeah, what? Feels so weird. I might not be able to play after all. Oh well, we tried.
Düşman makinalı. Tank, onlarınkilerden biri. Bir gözcü tespit edildi.
This guy doesn't have any scope points.
Dikkat eyleyin, şu onların askerlerinden biri.
Yeah, a little bit of lag when I scope in sometimes, but he ran into my flare. He's burning. Might just be because the game's not fully like optimized yet. Just turned it on.
Dikkat, düşman askeri.
95,
Şurada hasım askeri.
80. Oh, that guy really snuck up on me. Kind of holding the lows here though pretty nicely. Kind of a double bottom, bouncing pretty nicely. Oh, someone's chatting to me. Thanks. Nice shot. Can't remember which one that was. I don't know if you can see it because of my trading overlay, but they said nice shot, B-bang, so.
Düşman tankı, orada.